Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're unboxing my September BoxyCharm by Ipsy box. So if you want to see what items I picked out and what they sent me for the month of September, then just stay tuned. All right, so September box is here. So what did I get and what did they say the theme of this month? This month says more is more. This month dares you to download the glam with rich colors, decadent formulas, and skin that glows like it's gilded, because the best beauty moments are the ones that feel like little luxury. So that is this month's, and so that is what they sent as the paper with it this time. So let's jump into my actual box. So first thing that I see in here is this, I'm assuming Jubal. It is this here. It says that it is a lip treatment mask. I love my lip masks, especially the one from Laneige. So this one says it's a vanilla cherry. This is the item that they picked for me. It's a good size. Let me see what it smells, if it got a smell to it or not. All right, it has a little thing on here, so it's protected. Oh yeah, you smell the cherry for sure. That's what it looks like. So, a new brand to try for a lip mask, so super excited about that. This is, it says Jubal Naturals and the vanilla cherry scent. So excited for that one. The next item that they sent me is this Bare Minerals Liquid Mineral Concealer. And this is in the shade Dark 5N. So that's this. I'm going to see what this swatch is like, so I'll know if this is even a good shade. But that's that, what the packaging looks like. Don't have a smell to it, but that's the shade. It's not a bad color, so we'll see. Actually should work pretty fine. I'm not a big concealer user, but I definitely will give it a go and we'll see. All right, so the next item is what I picked, and that is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volume Mascara. I have never tried this mascara, so I figured it was on there as one of the options, so I will give it a go. The packaging on this is gorgeous. It feels kind of healthy as well. Yeah, very luxe feeling. I like it. So that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volume Mascara. So that's the item I picked. And then the next item that I picked was from Rare Beauty. This is their Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in Honesty. So that is this one. That's what it looks like. Okay, it twists. Here it is. So it's really a natural, it looks like a mauve brown kind of shade. Like it. I think it'll be a nice color, especially for this fall. But it says it's a nude brown shade, is what it's saying on the thing. But this is a lip Like it says, a lip tinted lip oil. But that definitely is a color that I will get on with. So glad I picked that one out. That does look like it'll work pretty good. And the other item that I picked was from Ariana Grande's brand, Rim Beauty. And this is in coconut. So let's see what this one looks like. And if you all want to see me put this on my face, I definitely will. But you can also check out my shorts. I will definitely wear this in one of those at some point. But that's what the shade looks like. It is a nice packaging. Has a mirror on the side here. Let's swatch it real quick just to see what I think of the shade. Okay, not bad. It's supposed to be a matte bronzer. It says a very deep with warm undertone is what they advertised this one as. So we will definitely see how that wears on the face. But for looking at it right here, it looked like it should work fine. But, you know, the true test will be actually on my face. So we'll see. But it's supposed to be a satin matte bronzer in the shade Coconut. All right, so this time around, I also did a couple of add-ons. And then I have my Beauty Boost. So my Beauty Boost, that was the thing that I pay a little extra for. This one says it was retail price of $35. Beauty Boost is the Ole Henriksen Transform Strawberry Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. It's got 10% AHAs in it. I love AHAs. It's very good for your skin. But this is an AHA and sugar exfoliant. So looking forward to trying that. That's what the back of it looks like. But I'm looking for more of some exfoliators that is not just the Dr. Brandt one, because I love the Dr. Brandt one and I've been giving other ones a go. And so far, I really haven't found one that I absolutely love, to be honest with you. So this one right here, we'll see what I think about this one, but it is the smoothing scrub. All right, so a couple of add-on items that I put on here was this Burn For You 1 ounce EDP from 5 Sins. This one, it has it on there. It says a lead of Atlas Mountain Cedarwood and Madagascar Vanilla hit you like a hug in the warm, woody, irresistibly cozy, gourmand scent, but let Burn For You linger, and it slips into something more intimate. A warm and spicy heart of clove, cashmere, and amber linger on the skin to make you feel empowered by desire, and night feeling so sparks fly. This is what the bottle looks like. So I told you all that I will be doing a dedicated video to 5 Sins because I have several of their fragrances and I was waiting for a couple of these to still come in. This was one of them. I knew it was coming in this box. But once I know I have everything that I wanted to share, I will do a dedicated line review of the 5 Sins products. So stay tuned for a future video on that. And the other add-on that I did was this Ellis Brooklyn, because that's the same thing with this one. I want to do a dedicated video for them. But this is their Sci-Fi scent. This is another add-on. So the box looks like this. It's a nice hard cardboard. It feels fancy cardboard. Actually, it's kind of got a slip, like a nice smoothness to it. All right, so that's what the bottle looks like. Very nice bottle. I love that look of it. But this is the Sci-Fi from Ellis Brooklyn. So stay tuned to the dedicated video of me testing out all the Ellis Brooklyn line in my collection. But that is all the items I picked up for the September BoxyCharm box by Ipsy. And I think I really do enjoy. I got the lip treatment mask that they picked out for me and the concealer, which I think will work. That was a reminder again. That was a concealer. This was that nudie brown tinted lip oil. This is the bronzer from Real Beauty. Then I got that mascara. Got the strawberry lemonade smoothing scrub, and then those two perfumes from 5 Cents and Ellis Brooklyn. So I am happy with my September box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.